Looking to upgrade your car with the latest gadgets? In this video, we'll show you 10 must-have car gadgets that can enhance your driving experience, improve safety, and add convenience. Stick around to discover our top pick, a game-changing gadget that you won't want to miss. Number 10. Dash Cam. One of the first gadgets that should be on any driver's list is a dash cam. This small yet incredibly useful device is mounted on your car's dashboard or windshield and continuously records the road as you drive. The footage captured by a dash cam can prove invaluable in a variety of situations, including accidents, theft, or even road rage incidents. It essentially acts as your unbiased witness in case of disputes, providing solid evidence for insurance claims or police reports. Beyond the basic models, today's dash cams come with advanced features like night vision, motion detection, and wide-angle lenses to ensure full coverage in all lighting conditions. Some even have GPS tracking and cloud storage options, allowing you to save and access important footage from anywhere. Having a dash cam can give you peace of mind, knowing that you're protected whether you're driving or parked. Number 9. Smart Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Your car's tires play a crucial role in both safety and performance, and a smart tire pressure monitoring system is a great gadget to ensure they are always in optimal condition. This gadget allows real-time monitoring of tire pressure, alerting you if the pressure falls below or rises above the recommended levels. Underinflated tires can lead to accidents, poor fuel efficiency, and even blowouts, while overinflation can cause uneven wear and reduce tire lifespan. Modern tire pressure monitoring system devices connect to your smartphone, providing you with up-to-date readings at the touch of a button. Some models even alert you to slow leaks or sudden changes in pressure, allowing you to address the problem before it becomes serious. Properly inflated tires can improve your car's handling, fuel economy, and safety, making this gadget a smart investment for every driver. Number 8. Portable Jump Starter. We've all experienced that sinking feeling when the car won't start due to a dead battery. In the past, this meant finding another vehicle to help jumpstart your car. However, with a portable jump starter, you can restart your vehicle without the need for external assistance. This gadget is compact enough to fit in your glove box, but powerful enough to get your car running again. Many portable jump starters also come with additional features like USB ports for charging smartphones or laptops, built-in flashlights, and even air compressors for inflating tires. Whether you're traveling solo or in remote areas, having a portable jump starter on hand ensures you're never left stranded due to a dead battery. It's one of those gadgets you hope you never have to use, but will be immensely grateful for when you do. Number 7. Bluetooth Adapter. If you drive an older vehicle, chances are it doesn't come equipped with Bluetooth functionality. This can be a significant drawback, especially in today's wireless world, where hands-free communication and music streaming are essential. Thankfully, a Bluetooth adapter can easily upgrade your car, allowing you to connect your smartphone wirelessly. These adapters are simple to install, usually plugging into the auxiliary port or cigarette lighter. Once connected, you can stream music, make hands-free calls, and even use voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. This gadget is an affordable and practical solution to bring your older car into the 21st century, enhancing both convenience and safety while driving. Number 6. Car Wi-Fi Hotspot. In today's connected world, access to the internet is almost as important as fuel in your car. Whether you're traveling with family, working on the go, or simply need reliable access to GPS and streaming services, a car Wi-Fi hotspot can transform your vehicle into a mobile internet hub. This gadget allows you to create a Wi-Fi network inside your car, which can support multiple devices such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Most car Wi-Fi hotspots use a SIM card and connect through the car's onboard diagnostic 2-port or 12V outlet, providing you with reliable, high-speed internet access while on the move. With a car Wi-Fi hotspot, you can stream videos, browse social media, or even attend virtual meetings without draining your phone's data plan. It's especially useful for long road trips or if you frequently travel for work. Number 5. Heads-up display. In order to maintain a safe driving environment, it is vital to keep your eyes on the road. However, it might be distracting to glance at your dashboard to check the speed, navigation, or alerts. You are able to maintain your concentration on the road by utilizing a heads-up display, which is a device that projects essential information onto your windshield and places it immediately in your line of sight. Modern heads-up displays are able to display real-time information such as speed, fuel levels, navigation directions, and even warnings for incoming calls. They connect to your smartphone or GPS using a specific protocol. Additionally, certain advanced models include customization, which means that you can select the data that you want to examine. The head-up display is a wonderful device for increasing both safety and convenience because it not only lessens the number of distractions in your vehicle, but also gives it a modern appearance. Number 4. Blind spot mirrors and detection systems. Blind spots are a significant cause of accidents, especially when changing lanes. Blind spot mirrors are small, convex mirrors that attach to your existing side mirrors, giving you a wider field of view and helping you see areas that are typically hidden. This simple yet effective solution can prevent accidents and improve overall road safety. In addition to mirrors, advanced blind spot detection systems are available, featuring sensors that monitor the areas around your car and alert you when a vehicle is in your blind spot. Some systems also include visual or audible warnings to help you avoid potential collisions. Whether you opt for mirrors or a more high-tech solution, improving your blind spot awareness is crucial for safe driving. Number 3. Heated seat cushions with lumbar support. If you often take long drives or live in a region with cold winters, a heated seat cushion with lumbar support can significantly improve your comfort. These cushions are designed to provide ergonomic support to your lower back, helping to reduce pain and discomfort during extended periods of sitting. Many models also include heating elements, which can be particularly useful in cold weather. Some high-end options even feature massage functions, turning your daily commute or long road trip into a more enjoyable experience. By improving your posture and keeping you warm, this gadget enhances both comfort and overall well-being during your drive. Number 2. Advanced parking sensors. Parking in tight spaces, especially in urban areas, can be challenging and stressful. Advanced parking sensors use ultrasonic waves to detect objects around your car, providing both audio and visual alerts to guide you into a parking spot safely. These sensors are particularly helpful when parallel parking or maneuvering in crowded parking lots. Some systems come with rear-view cameras or even 360-degree view capabilities, giving you a complete view of your surroundings. By reducing the risk of accidents while parking, this gadget saves time, stress, and potential damage to your vehicle or others. Number 1. Rear-view camera. Saving the best for last, the rear-view camera has become a game-changer in vehicle safety. Although many new cars come with built-in rear-view cameras, installing an aftermarket camera can significantly enhance the safety and convenience of older vehicles. Rear-view cameras give you a clear view of what's behind your car. That's a wrap on the top car gadgets. If any of these caught your eye, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates on the latest auto tech. Drop a comment on your favorite gadget. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.